Hello guys, good evening. This is just the last evening update, market close. We just had a long live stream and I still decided to do an update before I go into bed. And that reason for that is because I want to celebrate basically that we managed to spot this move to the upside, and regardless of being below support at some point during the stream, during the FOMC meeting, we saw that that was just a trap for the bears. Eventually, we ended up closing the 4-hour candle there. On the second candle, we came back for a retest of the neckline at 102.8. And at the moment, we are at 104.4. And if that number doesn't ring the bells to you, that is the weekly resistance that we've been talking the whole week. It would be awesome if this week we could close anywhere beyond 104.4. At the moment, on the short term, we got the CME gap that we need to close somewhere around here. That is, I suspect that there is just no CME gap left. I also want to cover the daily, but before we go into that, let's take a beautiful look at this move in there. You can tell that that is the breakout that we were looking for. We haven't yet gone wild into the top of the range, right? But we have here a confirmation. And all this means is that now we have 75 to 80% chances of continuing to the upside, targeting 107k liquidity and all of that. There is, of course, that 20 to 25% left that we could still fake out, because on the 4-hour we get a confirmation. But let's look at the daily, okay? We need to make informed decisions and look at this from different point of view. On the daily, we are reclaiming support. Yesterday we pinched, we did something ugly in here with this candle, but if we can close the daily like this with a green engulfing candle into the resistance of the top of the range, notice that this is the top of the range of this whole period, right? So 104.4 right there. Then we get the best chances that we can rally into resistance into RSIs of 65. That's the next resistance. And I've got already in my chart the 65 resistance, which is more or less at 108, okay, give or take. And that hits liquidation levels on the short term, and that continues to be a celebration for us to be once again on the right side. Remember, you doubted this. You probably, even if you follow the channel and you like it, on Saturday we say that there is a chance we go into 117, and I've been still bullish. You know, we got that 20%, 25, 30% chances that we go to 96k, but we ended up still breaking out. So I want to give that victory, small, tiny, microscopic victory to myself tonight. I feel really happy that we did the breakout on the 4-hour for some reason today. If you are also excited about this outcome, of course, I'm going to ask you once again to hit the like, to write down a comment. Let me know how you experienced this move up, whether you were short, long. There is no guilty pleasures in trading. So it's just to share your experience, and we can all learn from each other. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.